Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie drink step by step. Begin by gathering fresh fruit, plain yogurt, a liquid like almond milk, ice, and a blender. Wash and chop fruit into even pieces for consistent blending. Measure roughly 1 cup fruit to 1 cup liquid for a smooth texture. Add a tablespoon of honey or a scoop of protein if desired for flavor or nutrition. Keep ingredients cold for best taste. Place your blender on a stable surface and add liquid first to help the blades move freely. Next, add soft ingredients followed by frozen fruit and ice to create a vortex. Pulse a few times to break large chunks, then blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds until silky. Stop and scrape down the sides if needed and taste, adjusting sweetness or thickness with honey or more liquid for the perfect sip. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for cooking timers and music while you blend. It pairs perfectly with recipe videos and kitchen playlists. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick one up if you like what you see. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with favorite combinations like strawberry banana with Greek yogurt for creaminess, or mango and coconut water for a tropical twist. Add a handful of spinach or kale for a green boost that stays mild in flavor. Include mix-ins like chia seeds or a tablespoon of nut butter for texture and protein. Finish with a squeeze of lemon or orange to brighten desserts, and always taste and tweak until it matches your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.